Waiting for people to join. Let's see how many of you are live. Two. Okay, say hi if you can hear me properly without any disturbance. Say hi, say hi. 7 people are live. Say hi. Hi on the chat. Hi Vikas. Hey Vikas Bhagat. Hello brother. Vikas, I think I know you. Shweta. Hi Krishan. Hi Akash. Hi Samuel. Hi Suresh. Hi Asta. Hi Rajendra. Hello Pushpen Singh Naruka. Hey Neha Kumari. Deepak Ranjan. Hey guys, hey, 17 people. Yes, more. Let the likes come. Let the likes come from from like initial moment. Let's start with it. Vipul, hey Vipul, hey Aviral, hey Vijay. 19. Okay, let's see how many more people are there. Hello. Hi. Cool guys. So by the way, let me tell you one thing. We were supposed to have this marketing cloud. Yeah, I mean, this live webinar or live session on some another event, but due to some problems with the encoder, we are not able to have it over there. So that's the reason I created another event, and now we're gonna join this event or this webinar in here so that you guys can get connected with me. If any of your friend is connected on that event or is live on that event, please ask them to join this one, or yeah, just type down a message over there that there is another live event that Salesforce Health channel is going through right now or having right now, and please join that in order to attend this marketing cloud live webinar. Right, that's what it is. Hi, hey Vipul, Tushar, hey, good evening. Hi, I'm good. Tushar, thank you so much. Vikas, I request everyone to share. Yeah, please guys, share it with as many people as you can who are in Salesforce, and it's going to be very helpful for you. Right? Okay. Anshu, hi. Vaibhav, good evening. Gajendra, good evening, sir. Good evening, Gajendra. Jayesh, okay. Anshu, hi. Great. Chandra, hi. Shall we start? Yes or no? Say yes. If you want me to start with what is marketing cloud. I want to teach you what exactly marketing cloud is. Hello, sir. Hope you're doing good. I am doing amazing, right? Yeah, Chandra. Yeah. Let's start with it. So, first of all, a very warm welcome to you on the very first live webinar session of Salesforce Marketing Cloud on the Salesforce Health channel, and yeah, so I'm gonna talk about first who I am. So I'm Shrey Sharma. If some of you do not know me, because there are multiple other people who are also joining this event. So I'm Shrey Sharma, youngest Salesforce MVP in the world. I'm also a CEO at Cyntexa, which is a Salesforce development and consulting company, and I am a director at S2 Labs, and yeah. I'm known by the name of Salesforce Hal because this is the name of my YouTube channel with which I started creating videos on Salesforce, which helped a lot of people out there to clear their certification exams, to get a job, to learn different stuff about Salesforce. So that's who I am. And today, on the very first time, I'm going to teach you talk about Salesforce Marketing Cloud on this channel, and that too on a live webinar. And at the end of which, we guys can have like a Q&A session and everything, in which whatever questions you've got related to what we're going to learn today, you can ask me at that moment. But before than that, I'm going to explain you what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud is, and how it can be beneficial for an organization, and how it can be beneficial for you as well, or how to basically look at it. So it's going to be a basic introductory session today. We're going to have multiple other sessions as well later on, but today it's going to be a little bit introductory session about what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud is, and what are its capabilities, what are its features, who needs to use it, and what all things we have got in here, and at the end of it, some differences and Q&As. That's what we're going to talk about. So that's it. There's some questions. Yes, please. Yeah, I have 2 years of experience as a developer. Should I switch or not? We'll talk about that in the Q&A session. So first, let me go through the deck that I've got, which will explain you what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud is. So shall we start? Give it a big thumbs up if you want me to start. Give it a big thumbs up. Thumbs up. I need the likes to go up if you want. If you want me to start. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up, guys. Yes, start. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, before starting with it, I would like to make a forward looking statement that please do not make any buying decisions based on what we are going to talk about today in this webinar. These things may vary, and that's a forward looking statement that I've added. And by the way, at the end of this webinar, I'm going to add a link to a presentation which I'm using to explain you guys what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud is. Because of the problem in the encoder, I'm not able to share that screen so that you guys can also see it. But yeah, this is the first time, and everything happens first time, and first times are difficult, right? So yeah, I'm not able to share the presentation, but you'll be able to see the presentation later when I'll be like done with this webinar, and I'll be adding its link into the description so that you can see it over there. So that's what it is. Oh god, so many likes. Thank you so much, guys. So much love. Okay, let's start with it. So the agenda for the day is I'm going to talk about what exactly marketing is, how marketing is evolving with the time and with technology specifically, and then I'm going to talk about what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud is, and then what are its functionalities and different features, and then I'm going to talk about like how it can help an organization, or how it can actually help a company change its marketing game, right? Because that's exactly what is important when you want to create your brand or increase your sales. Whatever you want to do as an organization, you need to pay attention to your marketing, and that's exactly where Salesforce Marketing Cloud is going to help us. So let's talk about how, like, what exactly marketing is. So any of you can tell me like what exactly marketing is in the chat. In the chat, can you tell me what exactly marketing is? Anyone? Okay, I think I should just go ahead and tell you what exactly marketing is when it comes to, because we are short of time as well. So marketing, according to me, is basically creating a brand or creating a word out there that helps people recognize you as someone who they can trust, and they can buy some product or service from. That's exactly what it is. And marketing is evolving with technology, right? As like, because earlier people used to read newspapers, people used to listen to radio stations, people used to do different kind of stuff. But now in today's environment, the times have completely changed, and in a drastic way as well, and in a very fast manner. That means like today every consumer, every customer is spending more time onto the digital platforms rather than onto the like the like mainstream communication medium, that was print media or something related to radio broadcast or something like that. So earlier what used to happen was, marketing was basically broadcast marketing. Only the top companies or only the top organizations were able to do marketing, because yeah, if you want to put an ad onto a newspaper, it used to cost a lot. So that was broadcast marketing. And even after that, if you're putting an ad over there, it's not a targeted marketing that you're doing, right? It's not a targeted marketing. Means like, if you're putting an ad in a newspaper, a toddler is like, not a toddler, but yeah, a teenager is also seeing that, and an adult is also seeing that, like a senior citizen is also seeing that. So like, but what if your product is only targeted towards adults, right? So you could do nothing about that. But then the marketing evolved, and the marketing evolved with digitization, or basically people spending more time onto the digital platforms rather than on these platforms, because they like, these digital platforms provide them content or information that actually they are looking for, not all of the content like the broadcast mediums, right? So with that, the marketing is also changing. The marketing needs to be digitized, and in a particular way that it makes the customer or makes the consumer feel like that it's like we are being valued by the organization or by the company from which we are buying the product or buying the service. They need to feel good about being associated with this company. They need to feel good about being a part of a company which value them as a customer. They actually want you to do that, and that is exactly what they want. They want, like, yeah, it should be personalized. Everything should be personalized. This is exactly where the world is headed towards. This is exactly where the marketing is headed towards in today's world, right? So this is how marketing is evolving, from broadcast marketing to digital marketing, and now a personalized journey through which you guys need to take your customers through, right? That's exactly how the marketing is evolving. Now the next thing that I want to talk about is like why I'm talking about how marketing is evolving, because I want to give you a gist of marketing first, then only you'll be able to understand what exactly marketing cloud is as a product. Because if you do not understand marketing on a business perspective, it's not I mean, yeah, you'll not be able to work onto marketing cloud as you might be able to work onto marketing cloud, but yeah, you'll not be you'll not definitely be a better individual who can provide a solution onto marketing cloud for any organization if you do not understand marketing. So that's the reason I'm talking about what is marketing and how it is evolving with time. But next thing is, what exactly this Salesforce marketing cloud is. This is a question that many of you might have. So let me tell you what exactly Salesforce marketing cloud is, and I mean, how it is helpful. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud is, so Salesforce has got a suite of CRM products which is targeting different in like different verticals of a business, right? Starting from Sales Cloud, which targets towards the sales and the customers' information about the deals and everything, right? Yeah, their contacts, their deals, their products, and everything. And then Service Cloud, which basically handles the information about their cases, the solutions, and the different kind of stuff. And then comes Marketing Cloud, which basically helps an organization automate their marketing. But before than this, let's go to the history and learn about Salesforce Marketing Cloud, like how it all started, right? So Salesforce acquired a company named as Exact Target in 2013 for around 2.5 billion dollars, and that Exact Target company created an application which was focusing onto the marketing automation for the businesses, right? So Salesforce thought that it is a good opportunity to acquire this company and add this Exact Target product into our suite of CRM products, which will be helpful for the organizations who are using our Sales Cloud and Service Cloud to manage their sales and service. And now these companies will be able to manage their marketing as well using a CRM product of Salesforce itself, and which is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So they acquired a company called as Exact Target, and then they rebranded it on the name of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and that is exactly what we know. Yeah, I mean, so Exact Target is what today is called as Marketing Cloud. And now, like, I mean, Salesforce has got multiple products. Like, it has got Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Pardot. It has got Commerce Cloud. It has got Communities. It has got Heroku. It has got Quip. It has got multiple stuff, multiple products which are helpful for an organization to do their stuff or to do their job. Right? That's exactly what it is. So it's one of the products which is very helpful for businesses or very helpful for organizations, and it's going to be very helpful for the organization later in the future as well, when they want to, I mean, come onto Salesforce platform and do business as a whole. So that's what it is. Now let's talk about why Salesforce Marketing Cloud, or what features or what things we can do when it comes to using Marketing Cloud, like what we can do with the help of Marketing Cloud if you're running a business. So if you're running a business, there are multiple things that you want to do, right? You want to be in touch with your customers regularly. You want them to you want them to feel valued, and how they're gonna feel valued when you're gonna interact with them in a personalized way, in a more deeper way, right? And for that, like, normally we need humans, but we cannot have humans interacting with every other human if we have got a large customer base. So that in that case, we need a system to manage all of these things, right? We need our customers to be valued. We need to interact with our customers on every platform or whichever platform they are interested in, and we need to interact with them in such a way that it is according to their preferences as well. Let me just give you a simple example, or let me just give you a simple case study in order to understand it all. Okay, so how many of you, just give me an answer, or just give me a thumbs up on the chat. How many of you know about Adidas or Adidas? Adidas or Adidas? Huh? Tell me. Give me a thumbs up or give me a yes, you know about it. Yeah? No one? Pushpendra Singh? Okay. Akash, Priyanshu? Okay. Vikas? Good. Okay. Shubham? Good. So everyone of us know about this. What do we call it? Adidas, right? Adidas as an organization. So like I like shoes of Adidas, but not the other stuff, not the sportswear, not anything else. So but like, and again there are multiple other brands as well. Adidas needs to acquire me, and after like acquiring me as a customer, I need to be loyal, or they want me to be loyal with that particular brand. But how I'm going to be like how I'm going to be loyal to that brand, or how I'm going to be loyal to that company is depends on my experience, right? Depends on my complete experience when I'm using the Adidas website. Even if I'm going to an Adidas store, even if I'm having a look at the Adidas shoes onto different media, social media channels, I like the interactions that I'm doing with the different platforms that Adidas company has got matters. And this marketing cloud can help Adidas like automate all of these interactions, or basically track all of these interactions, and based on that it can provide me recommendations, or it can actually maintain like an interaction with me, which will be helpful to acquire and to retain the customers. That's what is important, right? So yeah, that's basically an example of like Adidas acquiring me as a consumer or as a customer, and then retaining me. And now let me simplify it in a simple way. So imagine you went onto Adidas website, and you added a shoe or like a sneaker or something like that into a product, into the cart. And when you added that sneaker into the cart, what you wanted to do was, yeah, when you added that sneaker into the cart of Adidas website, and then after that you didn't checked out, so you didn't bought that product, but that's still added into your cart, and you just like turned off the browser tab, and then you left that as it is. So in that case what will happen, what will happen, like that you wanted to buy it but you're not buying it. So there is an interaction that you did with with that website or with that e-commerce platform, that Adidas needs to track and send you a message, or send you an information about what, like about knowing why you didn't bought this particular product. And you must have been seeing that a lot of time on Amazon and on different stuff as well. Like whenever you added something onto Amazon in your cart and you didn't purchase it, Amazon automatically sends you an email that you've added this into your cart, and we would like to know what was the reason for not purchasing this. And even if you're not replying to that message, then in that case after 3 days or 4 days, like I mean after opening that email, there might be some other things that can also happen, like providing you a 10% discount, providing you a 20% discount to buy that particular product. So that depends on your interactions with that particular company's channel, and that's basically website or that e-commerce platform right now, right? So that's exactly what it is, what I'm talking about. And I mean, yeah, so this is exactly what we call as a journey of a customer. And using Marketing Cloud, we can create personalized journeys of different customers or different consumers. Yeah, personalized journeys of different consumers and different customers according to the interactions that they are having with the emails, or with the different yeah, according to the interaction that they're having with our different channels. And that can be email, that can be website, that can be social media, that can be anything, literally anything. That can be our website, that can be our newsletters, literally anything. So like this all can be automated with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? So number one feature of Salesforce Marketing Cloud is to create a personalized journey for each of your customer in a way that they feel valued, and in such a way that, like I mean the messages that you're sending to them, the interaction that you're having with them on different channels should be related to the information that they're seeking for, or should be related to the interaction that they had earlier. I know that I'm putting a lot of focus onto the interactions every time, but this is exactly what Salesforce Marketing Cloud do, right? That's number one thing that Marketing Cloud can do. Number two, when you talk about marketing, it's all about the information that you've got of the prospects or the customers or the leads, right? In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you can pull the information from different platforms, from your CRM, from your website, from your email list, from your social media followers, from a particular hashtag on social media, or like different other stuffs as well. So it can also be used as a unified in like unified database which stores the information of the people, or which stores the information of the customers or the prospects or the leads that you have, and that you can actually convert into your customers, or to whom you can actually sell something. That's one of the advantages of Salesforce Marketing Cloud as well. Next, there needs to be a connection that needs to be maintained with your customers, and that's something that you can do using Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? And yeah, I mean, let's talk about the there are two things when it comes to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. One is a studio and another one is a builder. What? One is a what is one? One is a studio, two is a builder, right? One is a studio, two is a builder. So let me explain you the difference between a studio and a builder, right? So a studio is basically used to have an interaction, or to basically do the interaction or in an automated way or in a user initiated way, with your customers or with your users or with your leads or with your prospects, and where the builders actually help you to create the content, to generate the audience, to like build a segment, to identify the preferences of the users to whom you have to have a different kind of a conversation. So these are the two things which make Marketing Cloud an amazing suit. So like when it comes to marketing, you first have to get the information, like to whom do you want to target, right? Like which is your targeted audience, which is your target audience, right? Or who is your target audience. So that can be done with the help of builders, and what content you want to send to them, or what content you want to share with them, or yeah, I mean, what information you want to pass them, or kind of interaction, what kind of interaction you want to have with them. It is all done in builders. And when it comes to doing that interaction or sending that information, or yeah, sharing that, yeah, I mean, message, studios comes into the picture. And you can do it in an automated way, you can do it in a user initiated way, you can do it according to a particular condition or according to a particular interaction. Let me give you just give you a simple example. So like, okay, if I'm working at Adidas and I'm sending you an email and you're not even opening that email, so in that case I should send you another email of a different kind, right? Of a different kind, having a discount, but you're opening that email and you're buying that product just after opening that email. So in that case, I should send you another email saying thank you for being a valuable customer to Adidas, we hope to see you soon, or we hope to we would like to have your review on this product on our website, this is the link. So you're sending different kinds of emails to the same customer according to the according to the step, or according to the interaction they had with the earlier email, with the last email. And that is exactly what happens when it comes to Salesforce Marketing Cloud's journeys. You can create a one-to-one personalized journey for each of your customer, for each of your consumer, which can help you build a stronger relationship with your customer, and yeah, which will help you build a personalized relationship with your customer. And that is exactly what is the need of the hour, because businesses are evolving like rapidly. The technology is changing the world rapidly. Every 2 years there's something new coming up, every 2 years there's something new coming up, every 1 year in fact there's something new coming up. So in order to retain your customers, or in order to retain the consumer base, or retain the customers, or in order to have more customers added into your list, you do need a tool like this, right? That's very, very important. So that's one thing. And now let me tell you, like, I mean, using Marketing Cloud, what what all things different companies have done. So I've been a part of a project in which I implemented Marketing Cloud, and I did a lot of stuff over there, but majorly created personalized email journeys, and also a lot of, if you'll see the stats, at least half an hour everyone around the world is spending their time onto social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, and some other kind of social media channels out there, Twitter, YouTube out there, right? Using Marketing Cloud, we can actually we can actually track the interactions that the people are having onto our handle on different social media channels, and we can give them the response over there only, rather than managing each of the social media accounts that we have, right? So like I'm not that much active on when it comes to Twitter, but I'm active on Instagram. But the company needs to be active on Instagram in order to reply me back, or in order to see my query, or in order to know my interest, right? But if someone else amongst you guys is more active on Twitter rather than on Instagram, then in that case the company should also have their, like, might be having their Twitter channel, and the interaction that you're having on Twitter, or the kind of conversations, or the kind of interaction that you're having with that particular handle on Twitter needs to be tracked as well. So this marketing cloud can be an like omni-channel place where all of your social media channels, or all of your social media handles can be handled, and you can actually take care of your clients. That's one thing. Number three, there are different kinds of web forms that you can create, right? On your on your ad, like let's say if you've created a social media ad on LinkedIn or something else, there is a form that you have created over there, and whatever information you're getting through that form, that needs to be added into your customer list or into your subscriber list or something like that, and that these guys should get a newsletter or something else. That can also be done over here. And one important thing, one most important feature of Marketing Cloud, the decisions of what kind of interactions or what kind of content needs to be shared, and to whom it needs to be shared, can also be made based on the predictions, right? We can have Einstein in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which will predict what kind of a content a particular user will like, and what kind of preferences do they have, and different other stuff based on the interaction that they are having with us. And according to that, the content can be shared, and in an automated way. So your complete marketing can be automated with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and that's exactly the power of Salesforce Marketing Cloud is. And let me tell you, I cannot describe it in words, to be very honest. But yeah, like it's a very powerful tool. Even if you're a business, even if you're a custom, even if you're an organization, if you're going to use it to it, like, to its max potential or to its max capability, I'm pretty sure that yeah, it's gonna change the way you're doing business right now. And even if you're someone who is learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud in order to get a job, or in order to get into Salesforce Marketing Cloud, then in that case, I'm telling it to you, it's a very good opportunity to get into the market, because there's a lot of demand out there for Marketing Cloud professionals, and like comparatively very less people who are skilled into it and who are good into it. So that's an amazing opportunity, guys. And I would I hope you convert this, yeah, opportunity, or basically you close this opportunity soon. That's what it is. So I think that's pretty much it, what I wanted to talk about when it comes to Marketing Cloud. Now I'm going to start with the Q&A session, which I'm known for as Ask the Hulk, right? And I'm going to answer the questions that you have. But before than that, I would like to say you one thing, that in the next episode of this live webinar series, I'm gonna like show you guys a simple demo, or a simple prototype about how email studio, or how how you can automate, how you can create the journeys, and how you can send the emails based on the interaction that the users are having onto different channels that we've got on for our company or for our organization. So that's what we can do. That's what we're gonna learn about. That's what we're gonna see in the next video of this series, or the upcoming video of this Salesforce Marketing Cloud live webinar series. Yeah. Now let's start with the questions, right? Let's start with it. Okay. Anyone help me? What's the topic? The topic, Karthik. The topic is what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Intro to I'm working on, thanks to booming slowly. Good, Karthik, you're right. How many opportunities in India? There are a lot of them, but the thing is, like, to be very honest, guys, if you're from India, people think that Indians are good when it comes to writing the code, but not good when it comes to understanding the businesses. This is what the mindset is. So that's the reason we are not getting enough opportunities in India to work on to products or to be a consultant in of a particular product in India. That's the reason we've got more developers. But let me tell you, if we'll work hard and if we'll be open to listening to the end user or to the consumer or to the business user, we can actually become a better consultants, and we can be better than anyone else in implementing the products that we've got in Salesforce. So that's what it is. There are a lot of opportunities as well. I mean, yeah, with big companies you might find a lot, and yeah, I mean there are opportunities coming up. Like very soon there are going to be more. Yeah, but you can expect good package. I think there is someone who said you can expect good package. Just give me a second. But you can expect good package compared to SFDC as competition is low. Yes, Karthik, you're right. Please also include AMP script contacts in Marketing Cloud and Cloud Connector. The Cloud Connector is what? Okay, by the way, guys, and I mean, how could I forget that? How can I forget that? Okay, with Marketing Cloud, you can connect your other yeah, Salesforce like CRMs as well. Like you can connect it with Sales Cloud and have the information from there. You can connect it with Service Cloud and yeah, other things as well. So that complete as a whole will become a suite for you to manage your business. So that's what it is, and that we can do. We can connect the Marketing Cloud with the Sales Cloud or the Service Cloud using the Marketing Cloud connector. That's what it is. I'm gonna talk about Marketing Cloud Connector as well very soon. Ashish AmScript is using for dynamic content from objects from email or mobile campaigns. You're absolutely right, Karthik. I think Hulk worked on Adidas project. Super, bro. Thanks, man. Covering SF. I mean, Safe Harbor. I am not saying that. Karthik is saying that. Covering SMMC interview questions would be much more helpful. Interview questions. I think I'm gonna come to that after explaining you all the things related to Marketing Cloud, because if I'm gonna start with like start from day one for the interview questions, it's not gonna be helpful, because many of you might like even do not know what exactly Marketing Cloud is. So we're gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna go bit by bit. Hi Hulk, evening. Yeah, evening, man. I think there is no option to send the email campaigns based on customer given timings. Given timings, what exactly do you mean by this question? Please elaborate. How to learn coding in SMMC? I'm going to talk about that very soon. I have years of experience in digital marketing. Can I move into Marketing Cloud? Vikas Bhagat, yes, you can. And if you've spent enough time into digital marketing, it will be very, 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 very easy for you to get started with Marketing Cloud, because you already understand enough concepts that one needs to understand for getting into Marketing Cloud that usually the developers or the coders do not understand. So it will be helpful for you. What is the best part to learn SMC with good experience in Sales Cloud? No free cloud to practice now. Theoretically, I know Email Studio, Mobile Studio, etc. But how can I practice to get a job? Good question, Suresh. So many of you might be facing this same problem, that I do not have a Marketing Cloud where I can practice. So guys, what you need to do is you need to be, if you do not have a job, you need to intern with a registered partner of Salesforce, and you need to make sure that they're going to provide you a Marketing Cloud org, which is free to them, which is provided for free to them if they apply for it, and then you can practice for it. So that's what you can do. And if you're working for a customer, then in that case you can get a training org, and on that you can learn it. That's what you can do. Then I think that's the only option that is left. And if you're working for a partner, and if that partner like allows you to attend the training which goes on for partners for free, then in that case you can get a business unit for a Marketing Cloud org in which you can practice different stuff. There's an option opt-ins. There is an option. Yeah, opt-in. There's no option to. How Marketing Cloud is useful for B2B business. Marketing, so like for B2B businesses, there is Pardot that's more helpful. But when it comes to Marketing Cloud, it's more for the B2C channel rather than the B2B channel, right? How can get a dev account for Marketing Cloud? So there's no dev account for Marketing Cloud. There's a Marketing Cloud demo org or something like that. And for that, I've already explained you what you need to do. What is the difference between Builder and Studio? Builder is basically used for building your audience, building your content, doing all of that stuff. Studio is more of like a place where you can actually do the stuff which is related to the execution of the content or the audience that you have built using the builders. That's what it is. How can I learn Marketing Cloud apart from Trailhead? If you're working for a partner, there are free trainings which are provided for partners. Just ask the person who's managing your partner account, typically your like CEO, CTO, or like your practice head. They might give you an option to join a free training of Marketing Cloud, which Salesforce provides itself, and then you can learn Marketing Cloud. And then yeah, Salesforce Help is always there to teach you. How can okay? Hi Shrey, love your work. I have started working with SMMC. Just want to know about creating audiences. Okay, just want creating audience in which sense? Like, are you teaching people like creating audiences as in which sense? Can you elaborate? Covering SMMC interview questions would be much more helpful. I will do that, Harish, but a little later. Ashwini through API. Okay, Ashwini, what was your question through API? Through API? What exactly through API you're asking? How we will be different in real estate? How will we different in real estate industry if we use Marketing Cloud? Because already so many competitors are there. Choose another industry. I mean, it's that simple. And if you cannot target, any day, like there are always going to be competitors. Even if there are not today, they're going to come tomorrow. So the competition is going to be there always. Figure out what you're good at and what is your niche and work onto that. Can digital marketing person move to Marketing Cloud? Can I count it as fresher? You'll be counted as fresher, but you first need to learn Marketing Cloud. All this is done by declarative tools, or there is coding part too in order to implement it. Both of them is there. Like both of them are there. Most of the things can be done using the declarative tools itself. Jagdish, which marketing certification would you prefer to start with? Opportunities in marketing. Opportunities in marketing or opportunities in Marketing Cloud? If you're talking about opportunities in Marketing Cloud, then Marketing Cloud email specialist is the certification with in which you need to go through. What are the different types of jobs for SMMC, like dev, admin, ESB testing? Please let me know, bro. Okay. Typically, there are I mean, like there are not enough roles out there because people are like they'll have one person or two people who are working onto Marketing Cloud, and they are the ones who are doing the admin job. They are the ones who are doing the testing job as well, and they're the ones who are doing everything. But typically, if you'll see, it is a complete tool, and the people who need to be there on like who need to be on the who need to be there are an admin, a developer if required, definitely a tester, and yeah, I think that's what it is. Hi, so please explain why would an organization use Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Is there any way to advertise using Salesforce Marketing Cloud based on customer data? Yeah, definitely there is. So an organization should use Marketing Cloud to advert. Like I mean, SMS based on customer data. Yeah, so basically, if someone is interested only in sneakers, like if I'm selling, if I'm from Adidas, I'm working on to Marketing Cloud org of Adidas, and there is a customer of mine who's only interested in sneakers, not in something else. I'm gonna like target them only for the campaigns which I am generating for the sneakers or which I'm creating for the sneakers, not for the campaigns which I'm creating for the sportswear or for the football or something like that, or for anything else. So that's what I can do with it. Deepak Ranjan, I'm working as a senior Salesforce QA engineer. Mm, I'm trying hard to switch to development, but none of the managers are helping me to grow. I'm desperate to become a developer. Any suggestions? Good questions, Deepak. No manager is ever gonna support you to become an engineer, become a developer from a QA unless until you're working at Cyntexa. So figure out an opportunity to work at Cyntexa, and you're gonna be a developer someday. What's the difference between email builder and content? There's no email builder. There is email studio and content builder. Is there any difference between end user and business user? I doubt. I doubt. I don't think. I don't think there is. Depends on the perspective. If you're talking about the Marketing Cloud, the end user might be a person to whom you're sending the emails, or to whom you are sending the content. And when it comes to the business user, is basically the people who are managing your campaigns or who are working into the marketing team of your organization. So I think that's the difference when it comes to the Marketing Cloud. But when it comes to Sales Cloud, I don't think there is. How to get Marketing Cloud Dev Edition? Again, I already answered that question. Can we integrate Sales and Service Cloud to deliver better customer experience? Yes, we can do that, and we can do that with the help of marketing cloud connector, Salesforce marketing cloud connector, with the help of which we can connect it with different yeah, tools that we have got already from Salesforce, and which will be helpful to get a overall 360 overview about a customer or about a consumer. If I'm implementing a marketing cloud project as BA, I'm working. Give me a second. I'm working with mainly email studio. Will it be expectation? Will it be an expectation from me to create content also, or do devs do that? Devs do not create the content. If you're working on to email studio, normally people expect you to do all of the stuff, especially in India. And if you're working outside, then might be some developers can help you create the content and create the content for the email. But I think you should learn it as fast as possible, and it's not that difficult. It's easy. It's pretty easy, but you should learn it. That will make you a better professional as a whole when it comes to the marketing cloud marketing cloud tool. Okay. Thanks a lot. I would definitely join Cyntexa. Okay, so it's Cyntexa. It's not S, right? It's Cyn, exactly. I think someone already answered that. Our CTO did that. Okay. Okay. How frequently you'll make sessions on SFMC? I think I'll try to create it every week or two, like, I mean, once in 2 weeks. But I don't know. I don't want to commit anything because I've committed some things earlier as well, and it didn't went well. Thanks, Ray, for the overview of Marketing Cloud. You're welcome, Ashish, anytime. Do you have any vacancies in a company? Many. Apply right now. Can you please tell us something about Audience Builder? So basically, Audience Builder is used to generate your audience, or not to generate your audience, but to basically segment your audience, or I mean, create an automated way with the help of which you can actually get the information from your FTP servers and everything into a list or into a data extension to which, with the help of which, you can actually target the people to whom you want to send the email and everything. That's basically what Audience Builder is used for. I guess anyone moved to SMEC because of the flexibility and ease of use. Yes, Karthik, you're absolutely right. It's very easy to use tool, and it has got a lot of capabilities. You can do a lot of stuff without even writing a single line of code, and that's exactly what Salesforce masters, right? So yeah, I'm proud of being involved in the Salesforce ecosystem. Hi Shrey, I'm a 6x Salesforce certified professional admin, advanced admin, app builder, sales service, community cloud consultant, and having 8-year experience on this platform. Please guide to MVP. Okay, Christian, good question. I think I'm gonna answer this in the Ask the Hulk video, but let me tell you, in order to become an MVP, what you need to do is do not try to be an MVP. Just try to help people out there as much as you can. Just try to provide them value as much as you can, like I'm like doing it all for free, nothing. And if the world thinks that you truly deserves to be an MVP, it will automatically come to you. So yeah, it's not important how much years of experience you've got. By the way, I've not got this much experience or these many certifications that you have got. Ashish, I think Ashish was the one. Yeah. Christian, I haven't got this much experience as much as you have got, but I am still an MVP because it's based on some four principles. One is leadership, another one is advocacy, dedication, and providing value. Right? That these are the things which are important, not the experience or the number of years or the certifications. The thing which is more important is how many people you have actually helped to be a better professional into the Salesforce ecosystem or as a whole. So that's what is important. You explain Einstein analytics. Not right now, and I'm yeah, not right now. What's your opinion about Field Service Cloud? It's good. It's it's also booming and showing middle finger to Oracle. Not sure about middle finger to Oracle or not, but yeah, I mean it's definitely booming because like whosoever is coming to Salesforce platform is realizing that this platform has got a lot of potential as a whole, because you can do a lot of stuff without even writing code, and you can customize it to a level that you can never ever imagine. And that's the reason Salesforce's apostrophe s Salesforce's tools are booming, or are very high in demand. So yeah, I mean, field service lighting is also booming very well, and it's good. It's a good platform. If you do not want to target marketing cloud, and you want to be into a consultant role or into a product specialist role, you can go for field service lighting. But there is a lot of industry experience, not a lot of, but you need to at least have an industry experience, or industry knowledge at least, to work onto field service lighting. Marketing you can easily understand, it's not that difficult, but when it comes to all the other things like CPQ and field service lighting, it's not that easy for everyone. Might be for you. I'm going to be work on marketing cloud, but unfortunately very less reference in available for on internet for learning. Get associated yourself with a partner, get an internship with them, work with them for part time, or yeah, get involved. There are not much references, but we'll try to create some together. If you have some references, some notes or something like that, just come up to me on salesforcehulk@gmail.com. We might put it over here, and we might yeah, I mean, give you the credits for that as well. So we might collaborate together in order to put more content of marketing cloud on the channel. Next, Manu, we love to see individual sessions of SM like on Email Studio. I am doing that, and that's exactly what I'm saying. Love your session in Bangalore DevX. Great to hear that, guys. If you haven't seen that video, go check out on it on my channel. I taught like how you can get your first Salesforce project as a freelancer or as a business owner. That's really good. Make sure to attend that. Make sure to see that video recording over there. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you simple demos, which will be helpful in the next videos, upcoming videos. There is a specific certification for social listening. Which one has more demand, email specialist or social studio specialist? I think I've heard for the social studio specialist for the first time. I've heard about the marketing cloud consultant certification, but I'm not sure social studio specialist. But yeah, I mean, I have to check it. And if so, email studio is any which way required. That's the prerequisite, I think. Even if you want to become a marketing consultant, so I think you should go for email specialist first, and then think about the rest of the certification. Thanks for this information on marketing cloud. Really useful. Thank you, buddy. You're welcome, Ankush. Hi, Shrey. Yes, I'm Shrey, right? Venkat. Ravi Bhushan Gupta. Any opening for Salesforce tester at your company? Apply on hr@cyntexa.com. We do. What are some good resources? We are always hiring for good people, right? So if you think you're good, send us your resume. What are some good resources to prepare for marketing cloud certification apart from Trailhead? Good question. Trainings provided by Salesforce currently. Hey, I'm a fresher mechanical engineer moving into IT sector as a Salesforce developer. Please guide. Get connected with me on LinkedIn, Suyesh. I'm gonna talk to you, or better on Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram. I believe we need a license to learn hands-on. Not 100% sure. Would like to know where to practice then. Again, the same thing. I've told it to you earlier as well. I've said this earlier as well. You need to get yourself. I mean, in order to get a marketing cloud org, you need to be associated with a partner or someone. Please compare SF marketing cloud with competition. So there is HubSpot. There are so many other tools. There's Zoho one as well that is a competition with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, but it's not that good as of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So yeah, and we need Salesforce development videos coming up pretty soon. I'm saying that from a long time, but yeah, I'm working on to it. Do you have any idea about Encino app? No. Hi Shrey. Hi. I'm BSc MBA candidate having 5 years of experience within banking sales now. Now I'm applying to Salesforce domain. Will I get opportunity in the companies? Yes, you'll definitely get that. Learn Salesforce from my free tutorial, which is posted on my website, shreysharma.com. I'll just write down the link for it. That's what it is. Okay. I'm a big fan of your learn a lot. I want to work with you, learn more about this platform. If you have any opening in your company, please let me know. Just send your resume, Christian. We might have an opportunity for someone as experienced as you are. We need your Blackboard classes like what you've given us on for an SFDC. I'm also thinking about that we do need Blackboard, but the thing is, in today's time, like writing on a Blackboard with a chalk, it's so time consuming for me because I've got myself involved in so many things that I try to figure out something else. But in the next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like put a screen, or I'm gonna share a screen as well, and that will be helpful for us. Good, I'll go some videos for beginners. I'll help to produce more material. Great, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks so much. hr@cyntexa.com. So let me write it down. hr@cyntexa.com. Still, many of you do not know about my company. So if you do not know much about me, get connected with me on LinkedIn. You're gonna get to know. Then I've done on email specialist. March, still looking for a job. Uh, Based on a location, you've got some location restraints or something like that. There are a lot of jobs for email specialist guy. Like maybe you're in a location where there are not enough companies having this having the opportunities. How to get practical knowledge or associate to with partner? Just work for one. Like Cyntexa is a registered Salesforce consulting partner, and soon we're trying to become a silver consulting partner as well. So yeah, get connected. Like work for a partner, work for a company which is providing Salesforce consulting and development services. That's what you need to do. HR email, please. I've shared it. How to get practical? Okay, done. It's not Sherry. Like I hate it when you people call me Sherry. It's Shrey. Shrui. My name is Usana from Pakistan. Can you tell me how I can improve my skills in Apex Lightning? Good question. Usama Naki. Okay, yeah. So to improve your knowledge on Apex and Lightning, all what you need to do is you need to get more hands-on experience onto triggers, onto batch Apex, or onto creating controllers, extensions, and everything rest. And when it comes to Lightning, what is more important is learning JavaScript first. So learn JavaScript, and it'll be easy for you to learn Lightning as well. So and get more hands-on experience. Volunteer your work for free. Start working with a friend of yours who's a Salesforce developer, and start help them do their work. So that will give you more hands-on experience. Hi Shrey, I'm working Oracle JD developer, but really want to switch to Salesforce. I'm completing Trailhead training currently. Please guide me specific module which I should go. Okay, good. So you need to go through my website shreysharma.com. There is a free tutorial posted over there to learn Salesforce. You're gonna learn all of it for Salesforce admin and app builder. Just go through that, and it will be very helpful. And then later on, I'm going to be posting for developers as well, which is going to come very soon. So yeah, you can learn from there. I'm okay with any location. I'm in Bangalore, everywhere looking for experienced one, but I'm fresher. Say them that I'm going to work for work in a salary of an intern. Just give me this opportunity, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to prove you that I'm the best person for this job. Just take 3 months time and show them that you're the best person for that job, and then they'll automatically consider you as someone who is more experienced, right? Seen most of the jobs are in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, at least in Chennai. Yeah, you're absolutely right. So and this guy is already in Bangalore. So connect with Karthik. He might give you an opportunity in SAP, Sales and Marketing Cloud, as he himself is working in Marketing Cloud. Hi Shreya, I'm not Shreya, Farooq, Shrey. I am your big fan. I'm running my own blog, SFDC Lightning blog on Salesforce, where I'm helping people to learn Salesforce. I'm really inspired. So glad to hear that, man. Write me an email. We might collaborate onto something good, because I haven't posted any content onto Lightning yet. So we might collaborate onto something. Send me an email. Bro, is there any option to view the historical campaigns? I think so. I mean, I'm not pretty sure about it. I need to check it, and then need to come back with the answer. So, guys, that's pretty much it. I think I've covered all the questions that you guys had. With this, I'm gonna wrap up with today's session. Thank you so much for attending this live webinar, and it was amazing interacting with all of you guys. Pretty soon, I'm gonna come up with another video in which I'm gonna talk about, give you a demo, a simple, the demo of how email studio works, and how to do different stuff, and how to send emails, and how to create content and everything. So stay tuned, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the Salesforce channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button over there, and also the bell icon, so that whenever I'm coming live or whenever I'm posting something new, you get informed or you get notified, so that you can stay connected with your brother, right? So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. I have one question. 1 minute. Yeah, the one says 1 minute. Okay. Thanks, Al. Thank you so much, man. Karthik. I'm preparing for an interview on Apex. Is there any good website for scenarios to prepare? Go on to Jitendra Jha's website. Jitendra Jha, Z-A-A. Jitendra Jha. You might get a lot of questions, a lot of good questions to prepare for the interview. Right? Okay. With that, I'm going to wrap up with the session today. Thank you so much, Karthik. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Anything on Lightning component? Amit Singh? I'm not sure. I'm not pretty sure about it when it comes to Lightning. You're welcome. Bye. Okay, so with this, I'm gonna end today's stream. And if you need any other help related, I'm gonna post the. By the way, I'm gonna post the link of the presentation that I've used in the description. Just go through that, and if you need any help related to it, just feel free to reach me out. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye. It was nice to talk to you as well, Christian.